Commander's morning. Kwaza Mkoto, Kwaza. Chikijela Mkoto, Chikijela. Ladies and gentlemen, Bakipasikaya, Mama, Nabobaba, welcome to Eguruleni MKP podcast. In Eguruleni. Mpete, Naya Gatulagali Mara. Finally, welcome to Babu Tontoni. Babu Tontoni, I think, will be legislator. Yeah, Gauteng legislator. Babu Tontoni, welcome to the show. Babu Tontoni, today we had an event in the local government election. What do you think about the election?
Yeah, thanks for the questions. Exposing the bias of the law in South Africa. You can see our cases. Now, to fight in our law, there are many premature you can see the injustice everyone can witness corruption that is the outward promise see the legislatures to bring our debates, our proposals, our motions. You can see we are getting some. The only issue is that you are not supported by the community. And thanks for those who are on TikTok, Facebook, who can expose what is it, and the podcast is what is it that we are doing. And at least, even if the information spreads in a slow manner, but our enemy is the West. And the West are controlling the media. They believe in propaganda because once they tell lies many times, they end up becoming they take our president just being corrupt because they are telling it day and day up until they give sentences without trial. We have seen many injustices. So controversies will never stop. We will continue to check the compromises that were made by the old leaders during the 90s and will challenge those issues, especially the issue of we will never fight it after. We know what happened, we know what needs to happen. We push for it to get majority. If we are not getting it as a party, we will also push other progressive forces to join us and make sure that we change the constitution of this country.
So, any question? Since the government is trying to regulate the podcast, what's your feeling about it?
I think it will be proper to do that because we can see the mainstream media. It's exactly like in the transport, where you find your big businesses like Abu Dhabi, they've got something that they get from the government. And your SABC and all other media, they've got something. People, they don't have anything. So once you try to regulate them, we can even fight that those who are more popular and those who are in a certain level, they can be assisted. Because we need the media to grow. Go to China. You will find a Beijing TV. You will find your Hong Kong TV. Yes, they must learn how the progressive forces of China move. You see. So currently it's difficult to have your producer TV, difficult to have, but with the podcast we can try and escalate to that level.
I'm sure, I think they feel it's not to be a challenge.
No,
it's not like that. It's freedom of expression.
We need an independent media. Currently, our media is
no.
Multi-choice, you remember how they removed AN7.
Yes.
And we expect any time they'll deal with other media